Welcome to today's lesson. You will need your composition book for notes and a pen or a pencil. Please gather those materials now. Okay, so today we're going to talk about distance in the coordinate plane, and it's kind of like what we did with slope when we did rise over run to find the slope, but we're not trying to find a slope, we're trying to find a distance now. So let's take a look at an example. What is the distance between the points -2, -3, and 4, 5? So if I were going to graph these on a coordinate plane, I would need to graph A, which would be left 2, down 3. And then I would need to graph B, which is right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5. Now, you can't just count these. Excuse me. You just can't count these because they're diagonals. You can only count lines that are straight up and down. So I want to find the distance between these 2 points. What I have to do is create a right triangle. This and this gives me a right triangle. Now I can count these spaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can count these spaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now using the Pythagorean theorem of 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared, I can find my missing side, which equals 10. Now, you should also know that this is a triple, so you should have realized that that was a triple. So what I want you to do is copy this down. All right, let's take a look at another one. The bank is 5 kilometers south of the library. Your school is 3 kilometers west of the bank. To the nearest 10th, how far is the library from the school? Okay, so I want to go 5 kilometers south, which means south I'm going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always check your scales, remember? There's a question on your test where the scales go by 2 instead of 1. To the nearest 10th, and then I want to go 3 kilometers west, which would be this way. And then 3 squared plus 5 squared. Don't tell me that's 4 squared, because it has to be a 3, 4, 5, not a 3, 5, 4. So 3 squared plus 5 squared would be 25 plus 9. Rounded to the nearest 10th, square root of 34 is 5.8. You don't have to copy this one down. And we're done.